Actually, in terms of countries, we are expecting to get more involved in Egypt, Jordan, and then maybe other projects like in UAE. As far as we know, these countries are doing a lot of investments in renewable energy. And if you are talking about the new technology of renewable energy, we have a lot of developments now in China, and we want to bring them to here also. For example, for wind, we are developing new turbines, which can be 3.6 megawatt offshore. Onshore, we can do around 4 megawatt. I think this is the biggest one that we have now around the world. And some technologies like smart grid, smart turbine, smart solar farms. Actually, they are using cloud platform and high-performance computing technology and also big data analysis. These technologies are used in wind turbines, wind farms, and electricity grid. And this can actually improve the efficiency of power generation by around 20%. Also, they decrease a lot of costs. And this is what we are seeing now. And if you ask me what I want to do, I want to do these kind of smart projects. Yes, this is basically what we see the growth and the future. As we see the future of the energy will be like 4 parts. The first is renewable energy, like wind, solar, and ocean. All kinds of technology are developing very fast, and the cost is like very competitive now, and we can really use them in commercial operations now. And the second, we see the future also lies in the electricity vehicles, because more and more people are interested in electrical vehicles. And with the development of the charging stations of electricity for the vehicles, and the demands for renewable energy actually will increase a lot. They are not asking for gasolines anymore. They are looking for electricity generated by wind, by solar. And third, it's the smart technology. You can imagine a turbine can control itself, a grid can control itself to balance the demand and the supply of the electricity. And this is really interesting now, because what's happening in China now is in summer, we have huge demands of electricity, but in winter, it's decreased a lot. And with this kind of technology, they can balance the residential use and the manufacturers' demands for electricity. They can balance it. And the fourth one is the technology of storage of electricity. With the new material, maybe a chip of this size can store a lot of energy, and even for a car to run for a long time. And this is also good for renewable energy, because what they store is like electricity instead of gasoline or oil products. So what we see is the future of energy is renewable energy, electrical vehicle, and smart technology, and the new storage technology. Yes, so I think in the future, like 5 to 10 years, this technology will develop very fast and make a huge change on the whole energy industry. Actually, we are first time here in Dubai to bring our renewable energy presence here. And we have some projects now in Egypt, but we want to expand this market. Although we have a lot of projects in China, you know, China is the biggest market of renewable energy. But alongside, we still wish to do more marketing around the world. And this is what we are doing now here. For the first time here, and we think this conference is really good. You have a lot of takeoffers here and a lot of people who are really in this business. So I'd like to give a brief introduction of our company to let you know us, and we can establish relationships step by step. And this is what we did here.